The little squirrel who learned to share. Once upon a time, in a green forest, there lived a tiny squirrel named Nibbles. Nibbles loved collecting nuts. Every day, he gathered more and more, hiding them inside his tree hole. But Nibbles had a little problem: he didn't like to share. When the other animals asked for nuts, he shook his tail and said, "No, no, no. These are mine. I need them all." One day, winter came early. The ground was covered in snow. The rabbits, birds, and even Nibbles' best friend, a hedgehog, were all hungry. Nibbles peeked outside and saw his friends shivering and weak. His heart felt heavy. "What can I do?" he thought. Then, Nibbles remembered how much he had stored. He ran to his friends and said, "Come with me. I have plenty to share." The animals happily nibbled together, warm and full. Nibbles realized something magical. Sharing didn't make his pile smaller, it made his heart bigger. From that day on, Nibbles was not only the busiest squirrel in the forest, he was also the kindest. Moral of the story: true happiness comes when we share with others.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.